welcome back to the Southern Snack, where life is too short to be serious. Let me just give a big shout out to my dude Michael at the Dairy Queen in Windsor, Virginia. Man, oh man, this dude is a champ. And, you know, he's awesome. And every time I roll up to Dairy Queen in the mornings, he's on a roll. He's on a roll. So, I mean, this is small, and I got a lot of ice cream in here. So I'm hype. I'm excited. I love the MLB, the annual MLB cup, the baseball cup with all the teams on it. Of course, my team's right here on the bottom. Go Dodgers. But yeah, so Solid Caramel Truffle is back at Dairy Queen. It's chocolate blizzard, basically. I guess they're fudge syrup mixed with the base. You got solid caramel truffle pieces, and you got toffee pieces. So very forward on the caramel side of things, but also very forward on chocolate. So let's go ahead and pose for this thumbnail. It's dripping on this side because, I mean, there's so much in this blizzard, so it's going to start melting and overlapping. So we need to get to this, right? So anyways, this is a returning flavor from years ago. I think the last time it was on the menu was 2017. So you know I ain't tried it because I didn't start doing reviews till 2019. So yeah, let's get into this bad boy and break her down. Love that toffee. That toffee, and I apologize, I think there's a train coming through. But that toffee reminds me of when I did that, when that TikTok hack went big for the Harry Potter butterbeer blizzard. Reminds me of the toffee that you would put in there. It's very salty, but it's rich. I love the truffles. This is everything you would want it to be, right? If you are a fan of two things, solid caramel and chocolate, this one covers those bases really well. And I can be picky about my blizzards, I'm not gonna lie. But I oftentimes do find that many blizzards are perfection. And this would be one of those times. It checks all the boxes. You gotta be a fan of all kinds of things. You gotta like chocolate. You gotta like salt. You gotta like caramel. And you gotta like a little bit of crunch, right? The crunch might turn some people off. And that's fine. But for me, with the choco chunks, with the toffee pieces, with the caramel truffles, this thing is decadent, this thing is rich. And I'm already satisfied. Like, I'm already complete. And I've barely scraped the top off here, right? This is a very delicious blizzard. Rich, sweet, salty. So, if you like those kind of descriptions, very good. Just don't go into this wanting a smooth blizzard. Don't want like something that's smooth and creamy, because there is some smooth aspect to it, but there's a lot of crunch. And I can understand why this is a fan favorite from the fold. Some people might be like, "Whoa, we wanted this blizzard, we wanted this, we want s'mores," and I love s'mores. I don't know if I've ever really given it a 10. I may have. I'm kind of blurry on it, but this one hasn't seen the lineup in 7 years, so for this delicious flavor to be back, I'm happy. And I encourage them to keep bringing older flavors back. I like to see them do PB&J, and I'm sure they have had a PB&J in the past. I like to see them do that. And spoiler alert, I don't remember which ones are coming back, but there's more coming, right? there's at least one more flavor coming, and I think it's French silk pie. So I think I did remember. I think French silk pie is coming back. So if you like that flavor, be excited. Sorry, Dairy Queen, if you don't like my spoilers. I just got an inside connection sometimes, and no, it's not any employees. It's my foodie friend that told me. So I don't know who they know, but all I know is they were right about this one. They predicted this one, and they said French silk pie is coming. So anyways, other than that, I'll see y'all around. Yeah.